Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to find area of a regular surface using graph paper. So here you can see there is a graph paper, and on that there is a triangle is there. So we have to find area of this triangle using graph paper. So for that, the process is we have to find out three types of square which this triangle is covering. First we have to find out the complete squares which this triangle is covering, then the squares which it is covering more than half, and the squares which it is covering only half. So the process is we will add up all the squares which are completely covered and which are more than half covered, and we will multiply them by 1, because we know that each square it has a it has an area of 1 centimeter square. So we will multiply it by 1, and those number of squares which are only half covered, we will multiply them by half, because half square, this we can consider only half of the area of that square. So this is the main concept. So first we'll find out the complete square and we will mark them with pink. So yeah, I'm going to take this pink color and mark them with pink, the complete squares. Now here it doesn't matter whether you're putting any dot sign, tick sign, or cross, it doesn't matter. So I'm putting a tick over here, a dot over here for all the squares which are completely covered. Many squares are completely covered, so I'm putting a dot over there. So these are the squares which are completely covered. Now we are going to put a tick, uh, half those we are going to select those squares which are half covered, and we will mark them with blue dot, which are covered more than half. So here we have here, then here, this one, this one, this is also more than half, this also more than half, here more than half, this one, this also, this, and this is also more than half. Now we will skip those squares which are covered less than half. So we are not going to take those squares which are covering less than half. For instance, here you can see this is less than half. And now we will mark those squares which are half covered. So I'm going to mark them with yellow just to make a differentiation between them. So this is half covered. Then here we have one more which is half covered. Here also we can take this one as half covered. So there are three which are covered only half. So now we will just write down that how many squares, we will count and write down how many squares are there which are covered. So after counting, we find out that there are 37 pink dots are there, which means the squares which are completely covered. There are 13 squares which are more than half covered, and then let's find out there are 3 squares which are only covered half. So now to find area will be equal to, we will add up this 37 plus 13. So we have 37 plus 13. So this will be equal to, so this will be equal to 50, and we have to multiply this by 1 because each square's area is 1 centimeter square. So here we have equal to 50 centimeter square. So the area of this one is 50 centimeter square. Now we have to find out, or we have to add up this. There are 3 squares which are only half, so we will add only half centimeter square for each, because we have to take only half of the square. So in this we are going to add, we are going to add then only 1.5 centimeter square, because there are 3 halves, so 3 into half, that will be 1.5. So that will be, so total will be, So total area will be equals to 51.5 centimeter square. So this is how we can find out area of a regular shape by the help of this graph paper. We have to consider these three important things, that is complete square, more than half square, and the squares which are covered only half. Hope you like this video. Thank you.